Hey, what's up guys? It's Jamie here. Thanks for joining me in today's video. I'm going to be talking about the want and desire for the affiliate marketing lifestyle versus the reality for most people. So in case you're new to this channel, welcome. My name is Jamie. I'm a full-time affiliate marketer. I'm a coach for a program with over 550 students called the Super Affiliate Accelerator. You're welcome to check that out in the description below. Got students getting some incredible results right up to 10, 20, 30, 50K a month. Pretty cool stuff. Anyway, with all that being said, one of the things that I notice a lot of in this industry is this whole thing of, I really want it. I hate my life. I don't like where I am, and I really want to get the success. I want to get what you guys have. I want to be having like $5,000 days. I want to be a coach for a program. I want to do all this stuff. I want to be a business owner. Tired of my life. And there's a disconnect for a lot of people because the talk is bullshit. And to give you an example, I take a lot of sales calls, and they're implementation calls. It means that I am helping people implement what they're learning as part of one of our programs, but I also do my own sales calls for, my own business. So the amount of people that just don't rock up to these things is phenomenal, and it blows my mind because they've gone through the process of making an application. We don't talk to just any old body. You have to either buy into the low ticket program or you have to make an application to speak to me directly. They go through that rigmarole. They watch material that gets them to that point. We send reminders 24 hours, 12 hours, 1 hour, and on the time of the actual appointment itself. And people still don't rock up. Now, that in itself is just disrespectful because obviously it wastes our time. But the problem is that it's the mindset that goes behind that is the issue. Now, this is something I notice a lot of, and it's this whole disconnect of, I really want the stuff, I really want the results, I really want the $1,000 days, I really want your help, but then they don't back themselves up. It's all hot air. And so my question to those people and anyone that's watching that resonates with that, if you like typing info into the comments section in posts on Facebook, and you've been doing that for years, and I've seen some of these people out there for years, info, yeah, send me deets. And then you go to send them stuff and they don't even look at their fucking messages. What's the fucking point? You just wasted time. So here's the crux of it all. You gotta be willing to invest in yourself. This is business. If you want a hobby, go take up something else. If you're not prepared to rock up to a call, just to get a call, just to see whether something might be a right fit for you, affiliate marketing is not for you. Flat out. Like if you can't even rock up to a call because you're scared of being sold to, then it's not right for you. This whole thing is about selling stuff. And you can do it in a way that doesn't mean you're an absolute mercenary. That doesn't mean that you have to like try and use some sort of Jedi mind tricks to get people to do stuff. You can sell in a way that is actually serving them, that does actually help them out. And if it's not the right fit for them, guess what? It's okay not to sell those people as well. But my question and my statement, I think, for anyone that's watching, if you're at that point where you say that you want this stuff, but you're not really prepared to even take that first step to get on a call, or you're not prepared to even read your messages after you've been typing info online for years, what hope do you have? How badly do you really want it? I'm going to say probably not that bad at all. Because the reality is that if you did, then you wouldn't be afraid to be sold to. You wouldn't be afraid to just jump on a call. And forget my program, forget what I'm doing. It doesn't matter. I'm talking about the people that I see out there years after years after years. They're still doing the same thing. They're still floating around trying to do the same stuff. Haven't made any changes, haven't made any adjustments. Probably haven't sought out any mentoring along the way. So for those people that, if you're watching this, might be like ripping off a band-aid, what I would encourage you to do is just have that courage to take that first step. Forget me and my program, that's completely irrelevant. What I'm talking about is the mindset that you need in order to actually make any of this stuff work. And if you can dial that in, if you can go, you know what, yes, I'm going to commit to actually getting some info and acting upon that information that I get. And if I do go through the process of booking a call, I'm going to show up to that call to see whether something might be relevant to me and help me out, then at least you got a chance. But if you're out there and you're just typing, I'd love to send some info, I'd love to get some info on this, thanks, and then you never do anything with it, what's the fucking point? Completely pointless. Waste everyone's time, including your own. Go back to your other hobbies. That would be my advice. Anyway, little rant over. Appreciate you guys watching. If you'd like to check out what we're up to, it is a no bullshit thing. We don't fuck around. Our students are getting results, and if you are prepared to put in the work, we'll look after you and do everything we can to help you out. Anyway, my name's Jamie. I appreciate you guys tuning in. See you in the next one. Cheers.